Each year, a team from the Iowa State University National Agri-Marketing Association Student Chapter competes in the Student Marketing Competition at the National Agri-Marketing Conference. The team members enroll in the Ag Eds 475 course that meets 4:10 to 5 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays each week, from September until the competition in April. Through this class, the team learns the basics of marketing: how to conduct primary research, build out financials, determine promotional strategies, and what all goes into a professional marketing plan for new innovative products. During the fall semester, the team splits up into small groups, each tasked with developing a rough draft of a marketing plan for a new agricultural product, usually from a startup company. Each group researches one company and product that they believe has the most potential. By the end of the fall semester, the team agrees on a final product to delve deeper on and use for the competition. In spring semester, the team splits up into new small groups where they use their individual strengths to design a sleek marketing plan, compile a strong slide deck, and prepare a professional oral presentation.
I decided to join the actual marketing team, however, my junior year. And within the class period, my favorite portion has definitely been the fall semester when we were all divided up into groups working on our own innovative products, and then just seeing everybody advocate for their product and what they wanted to do with it and roll out all their promotions. Being able to see how different industries in agriculture work has also been an interesting aspect to NAMA, because I'm not a student from an agriculture background, and having this opportunity has opened up my mindset to all of the different agricultural industries.
So my favorite and most important learning experience from the class itself has probably been the market research section. I came into this hating market research. I had no clue how to approach it, how to do it in an organized fashion, an efficient fashion, and Marcy and other members on the team who have been here before me helped me break that down and take that process and take it into chunks so it was a little bit more approachable, and I thoroughly enjoy market research now. I find it so interesting to be able to dive into an industry and understand the needs and the wants of the customers, and then take that information and apply it to the product and see how we can reach them.
I have really enjoyed working on the financials part. I am a freshman in agricultural business, so I am more on the business side of things here. I am currently in an accounting class. My econ classes have to do a lot with financials, so this has really helped me in some of my classes.
Being on the NAMA marketing team has really helped as far as like expanding my horizons and stuff like that for Adobe products. Coming into NAMA, I had only used really Photoshop. I haven't really used like Illustrator, InDesign, or anything like that. And that was my go-to program, but now being in NAMA for 2 years, it's really helped me as far as like with InDesign creating like a plan like this. And trying to come up with logos on Illustrator and drop them in here and deal with the artboards and deal with cutting certain shapes like on the bottom of this page and making certain shapes and tying everything together to make everything flow right. So that's one thing that NAMA has helped a lot with, and it will help me a lot in my future.
So the speaking team, which I'm a part of, we kind of divide it into certain sections that we worked on. So it's almost like sub-teams. So I was doing promotions and marketing and that kind of stuff. So my main speaking part will be on like more traditional marketing, which is advertisements, direct mail pieces, emails, newsletters. But the also fun thing is that you can take a twist on there, which I get to talk about, and like PQA trainings and education and things that we don't usually think of.
In my experience with NAMA, we've done quite a few ag tech startups, ag tech products, and it's been interesting to see how we position these products to a historically undigitized and analog industry. And I think that has helped us gain that innovative way of thinking, of looking at these processes that can be improved with technology. That technology opportunity is there, and NAMA helps us to identify that and grab a hold of it and just run. It helps us to do that market research, to identify the target markets, to design this product, this company, these promotional tactics from point A to point Z. We're doing all of it, we're learning all of it, and so it's helping us to approach this industry and our future careers with background experiences that will help us for years.